Also, Anele Madodi, the legend, guys, has won the Best Supporting Actor in a Telenovela at the SAFTAs for his role at Msimelelo Maketu in Gqeberha, guys, the Empire, guys. Here's the legend has to say after winning his award at the SAFTAs, guys.
Sidalwe sonke ngumuntu oyi-one asimgqamakhosha Matoti Changisa Zulu Sikhoma Danana Bang Mdumani Bobese Khash Joel Mpangomo Chedza Pictures. You went to Gqeberha. Nobody said it would work. It worked. Everybody that touched that show, that worked on it, that read scripts, that directed it, thank you so much. Chedza Pictures. All the eyes that watched it, all the ears that listened to it, whether you liked it or not, you supported us. Siyabulela. Thank you so much.
Yep, guys, that was Anele Madodi, the legend. I don't know whether I'm right when I'm calling him a legend, because yes, guys, Phillips is one of those actors who are familiar in our faces, guys. He acted in so many telenovelas, series, soaps, and all that stuff, guys. That is why I'm calling him a legend, because I know you guys, you can come back to me, yes, and telling me maybe he's not a legend and stating the reasons and whatsoever. But if you have any opinion or views, you can leave them down in the comment section below. I really love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload another video here on this channel.